Yes, it's Massive and Crew back once again with another video. Today I'm just going to share a little tech haul that I've gone on to try and make the channel a lot better. I've got this HDMI converter here, which it's actually an upscaler, which I'm going to use to try to get the Amiga to show on the screen, because I want my Amiga to kind of go into my capture card, and at the moment I tried it and it wasn't showing up properly, and I believe this is one of these are going to solve the problem. I've managed to get hold of this one and also this one that I saw in another video, which is also, this is an AV to HDMI converter, whereas this one is just a straight upscaler straight from the I believe it's the RGB. It's quite small, it was quite heavy as well. So let's have a look. Oh, this comes from the SCART, sorry. This will give you a SCART on one end and then HDMI on the other. So all of these are in the vein that I can hopefully get the Amiga on the screen finally, so we can have some live Amiga sessions, because that would be dope, going through some of the tunes and, you know, archiving together. I got another capture card here. This was one of the EasyCap capture cards, which I'm going to try and put multiple bits and pieces onto, so I can have various cameras and various angles in the live stream. So I've got a capture card there, and I also got a serious capture card to try and you know, update the quality. This is like an AverMedia Live Gamer HD, so this should help with the way my stream looks, and also allow me to use you know, like a third-party software like Open Music Broadcaster or vMix, so I can get some real cool graphics and some real screen switching going on. Also, I got some memory sticks, quite cheap now, for DDR2 PCI. What's it? DDR2 PC 6400s. Now hopefully these will go into my PC. They're 2 gig of sticks, so I've got 2468, where my live stream PC is actually running 4 gig at the moment. So that's just an insight of what I've been up to, guys. Just trying to get this live stream running real crisp. I want to get it so that we can switch screens live, and we can do tutorials live and just have you know, info going all over the place, and just do it the way I've got it in my head, because at the moment tech is really limiting the way we can do the live streams, and I want to just upgrade it so that, you know, we can just get this thing banging and make it like one of the best live streams for retro you know, Amiga and old school jungle going on the internet right now. Yeah, so that's the idea, guys. Thanks to you guys, you know, just keep the pace up. If you haven't received your merchandise yet, anybody, don't worry, I've got all you guys in mind. I am doing my daytime job, and this is a sideline project for me, so bear that in mind, you know. But so far, you know, I know Adamski's received his sound interface, and quite a few of you guys have received your t-shirts. So guys, I'm going to spend the time getting all this strung up now and see where I go with it. Hopefully, wish me luck. Hopefully it's going to affect the live stream in a positive way, and you know, take us a step further towards that goal. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick info on my haul. Take care, God bless, peace.